Okay, so what are you doing there?
Guess what?
What?
This one already grew up.
How you work?
You just have to press this. There you go. Good job. No. Just stay in one place. There you go. That's the way, baby. Ah, nice. Enough for that one. You're doing actually really, really good job. Hey, you may be the best gardener ever. Not too close. You're gonna you tilt the plant. You're gonna kill it.
Sorry. That's enough.
It is. It should be.
Yes.
Who's there? Who's behind that tree?
That.
Hello? I can see you. I can see you.
I'm gonna make sure that no dog.
You don't think you can get away, huh? Don't you? There you go.
Okay, put it right there. Okay. There. Perfect. See? Okay. One more? Mm-hmm. How about here?
Yeah, right here on this
there.
side.
Okay. It's good.
Okay.
The little one down there?
And maybe right here on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep.
How's that?
Good.
Good. So it says Amber. Dogs can't go in the garden.
And maybe another one right here.
One more?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Good job.
No. Hey. When they're sleeping outside, no
Mm-hmm.
dog can get in.
That's good.
Okay, stop brakes.
Okay.
Man, I need to go to the bathroom. And
Well, then just go.
I don't know how.
Well, that's three restaurants in this house. You're gonna find one.
I want somebody to go with me. And you go with me, please.
Okay, I will. Let's go.
Make sure that you don't eat my ring pop.